Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study economy for Group 2. Begin by thoroughly understanding the syllabus, paying close attention to both micro and macroeconomic principles. It's crucial to identify and prioritize key topics such as national income accounting, monetary policy, and banking systems. A strong foundation in these areas will significantly boost your preparation. Remember to break down complex concepts into manageable parts for easier learning and retention. For effective preparation, utilize standard economy textbooks and official government economic survey reports. Staying updated with current economic affairs and recent policy changes is also vital for success. Make sure to master core concepts such as inflation, gross domestic product, and various aspects of fiscal policy. Understanding these fundamentals will provide a solid base for tackling more advanced topics. Consistent practice is key to excelling in economy. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand exam patterns and common question types. Develop concise, easy-to-review notes for each topic, highlighting important formulas and theories. Participating in mock tests will help you assess your progress, identify weak areas, and improve time management under exam conditions. To truly excel, develop a critical approach to analyzing economic data and current trends. Practice formulating well-structured answers, incorporating relevant examples and diagrams to illustrate your points effectively. This demonstrates a deeper understanding of the subject. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. A comprehensive strategy, combining conceptual clarity with strong analytical skills, will ensure your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.